welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a get ready with me. I'm wearing this rusty orange shirt. I bought this palette probably like 2 weeks ago. You can see there. It had some orange tones, and I don't know if it was a sweater that kind of inspired me, but I want to see what look I can pull off using these colors, so just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my setting spray from LA Colors. I'm going to be going in using the foundation from Wet n Wild's Photo Focus in the color Golden Beige. So I'm just going to go like that. And then I'm gonna use my brush. I'm gonna use this Total Face sponge from e.l.f. It says that you can use wet or dry. I wouldn't use it dry, but in my opinion, just to blend everything in. Next, I'm going to use the LA Colors Conceal It in the color Yellow. So yesterday when I went to Walmart, I saw this Wet n Wild's Photo Focus banana. So I want to say this is kind of like the banana powder that everyone talks about. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to use it today. I think that they would do the packaging. There you go. So I finally got this off. Plastic part. It doesn't have like no tab or anything to grab it. I had to use my tweezers to pull it off. So this is the same brand as my foundation. Some of this. I'll put it right underneath my eye. Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna let that sit there for a few minutes. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the matte poreless color 220 Natural Beige. And I'm gonna apply this all over my face just to set everything. And I'm only applying it in the areas where I didn't put any powder. Next, I'm going to apply some contour. So I'm going to be using this color and this color. So guys, I live in Connecticut and the weather has been so crazy. Like one day it will be 50 degrees and then the next day it will be 20. So I'm gonna now go ahead and contour my nose. So I'm just gonna take the brush and do it like this. I'm gonna apply some blush. I'm sorry guys, the blush that I used was the LA Colors single blush in the color Spice. Apply some highlight. Next, I'm gonna be applying my highlighter from Wet n Wild in Golden Flower Crown. So now I'm gonna be using my palette. So this color right here as my base. I'm gonna be applying this color. Then I'm just gonna go in and blend it out a little bit. I use this color right here. It's like a shimmery color. Next, I'm going to be using this color here. It's like a brownish, purplish color. It's like giving me like a subtle smoky eye, not being too dramatic, especially since it's daytime. This color here that has like a shimmer to it, and I'm going to apply it right underneath. I think I'm going to go in with my Carly Bible eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. With this color. In the Carly Bible, I'm going to use this like gold color. Next, I'm going to, with the Wet n Wild in the color Panther, do my wing. Guys, sometimes when I want the color to be more bold, I'll use the setting spray, or you can use water and just wet your brush a little bit so it picks up the pigment, especially if you want it to be more bolder. So I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to brush them up. So guys, I bought this mascara from Wet n Wild. It's in the color Very Black. It's the Mega Length Waterproof Mascara, which I did not realize that it was waterproof, so I will not be using this today. It's still a good mascara. And I bought another one from Wet n Wild in the color Very Black. It's the Mega Volume Mascara, and this was not waterproof, so I can use this one. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Just so they have, ow! Just so they have more of a curl. Almost pulled off my eyelashes. Okay, so far, I definitely like it. This might be my new go-to mascara. I'm gonna take one of my mascara brushes and I'm just gonna brush up the eyebrow. I think I want to go in with some of this orange here. I want to go underneath my eyelid. Some of the foundation that I had on my lips. I'm going to apply some Vaseline on my lips. I'm going to use the, I forgot where I got this, but it's by Color Silly, Color Silly. It's City Color B Matte Lipstick in the color Melon. Oh yeah. Yes, this is the color. I think I'm gonna just tone it down just a little bit with a nude color. there you have it. That is my look for today. But I'm gonna go in, curl this hair, and I will be right back. So I just finished curling my hair just to complete my look. I will film another video of how I got my hair to look like this with these curls. All it is just I just braid my hair the night before, but I went in with my curling wand. I will, like I said, I will do another video on that. It's just that unfortunately the cord on my wand is very short, so it doesn't reach to where I'm filming right now until I get an extension cord. So stay tuned for that video. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure to share this video. Until next time, guys. Bye.